Hey everybody, I'm Robinson Lopez, teacher on special assignment here at the Curriculum and Instruction Building. With summer around the corner, it's important to keep your students' brain active to maintain skills acquired during the school year. Preventing summer learning loss is easiest when fun and routine work together. Build daily activities that mix play with academics, such as cooking using measuring of ingredients and following recipes, exploring nature, observing and recording findings, and playing board games that practice math and language skills. Keep reading a regular habit by aiming for about 30 minutes a day. Choose books, comics, or audiobooks that match your child's interests. Encourage short, regular journaling to strengthen writing and reflection skills. Prompts can be simple. What did you do today? What was your favorite moment? Or including questions that your student might have. Include puzzles, strategy games, and conversations that maintain critical thinking. Ask why and how questions and let kids explain their reasoning. Finally, plan regular visits to your local library to borrow new books, join free programs, and keep learning social and exciting. Together, these small, consistent practices preserve skills and make summer learning enjoyable. For more information about CUSD summer programs, go to CUSD.com and search summer.